What's up, good people? This is my 3-meat pizza pasta. I'm using bacon bits, ground turkey, turkey pepperoni, creamy melt mozzarella cheese, pasta, and pizza sauce. First, I'm gonna cook my ground turkey. Next, add your pasta to a pot of boiling water. After it's done, you're gonna drain your meat and you're gonna drain your pasta. Then I combine my ground turkey with my pasta and then added in the pepperoni and bacon bits. Next, you're gonna add your sauce, but feel free to use spaghetti sauce instead of pizza sauce. Over a heated stove, mix in your cheese until it melts. Add more cheese and pizza toppings and then put it in the oven to melt. And that's how I make 3-meat pizza pasta.